Let's head up to Ron in Longwood real quick before the bottom of the hour news here. Ron, tell us what's going on with this Lexus.
How you doing, Eric?
We're doing great.
Good. Here's what I got. I got this 2018. It's got like 84,000 miles on it, all highway miles. I started thinking probably needs plugs. So I look at the manual that says at $120. So I call up a dealer and they tell me it's like an $1,200 job to put a set of plugs in this car. And I was like, what? Can that be right?
Ron, the spark plugs for this thing are probably close to $20 a piece. You've got 6 of them, and you're looking at about 4 to 5 hours labor to install them. And the reason that the labor is as extensive as it is you have to remove the whole upper intake plenum and throttle body assembly off of the top of the motor in order to have access to the rear spark plugs itself. And since you've got to go through as much as what you do to get to those rear spark plugs, they're probably including new coils at the same time. And if they were to replace the ignition coils and the spark plugs, plus all the labor that goes into doing this, it could very well easily run into over $1,000. But just to put spark plugs in it, I would be willing to say you would probably be somewhere between the area of $400 to $500 just to get spark plugs replaced. But if they were to replace the ignition coils along with it, if they used original equipment, Lexus or Toyota ignition coils, I would expect them to be very expensive. And just so you know, Denso is who makes the ignition coils, and we can get the Denso ones, which makes the ones for Toyota and Lexus, for about half the price. So, you know, if you want it to come in a Toyota box or a Lexus box, and you'll never know the difference anyway, that just kind of lays it out there for you, Ron. I wish you luck. If we can help you, let us know.